Hey everyone, here we are at day 30 of the 31 days to get organised, and it's the end of the lazy clutter week. Now, one of the biggest difficulties with lazy clutter is that we don't assign things a home. And so what happens is we throw stuff down. We just put it where we finished with it, and eventually that stuff just grows and grows. You might remember last year the mantra, don't put it down, put it away. And so to avoid lazy clutter, you have to assign a home for everything, and when you're finished using it, make sure it goes back into that home. That's the way to stop clutter accumulating, especially lazy clutter. It's an ongoing problem, it's an ongoing issue, but the solution is simple. Get your family on board and remember, a home for everything, and don't put it down, put it away.